Hey everyone, how are you? Today our video topic how to copy and paste graph from Google Sheets to Google Docs. Let's get started. Follow me step by step. At first we have to open our Google Sheet software and we can see already we created a data table to chart. Then select the data table, click and drag on our mouse. Go to the insert menu and select the chart option. Then you can choose your choice to any chart. Now I am select the area chart, then close the chart, then click the chart more option and copy the chart. Now we can see here the Google Docs we opened. Now you want to paste the Google Docs, you can use manual option, click the edit option and click paste. You can link the chart to this spreadsheet, otherwise paste unlinked. Now I am click to link option to edit any time, and we can see we copy chart sheet to Google Docs very easily. You can edit anytime, click the more option and open source, and here the chart you can edit anything to change this Google Docs. I hope you understand this process is very easiest. Don't forget to like, comment and share my video or channel. Thanks for watching.